you buy the cheapest GS1 barcodes for your e-commerce business? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you. What most people don't tell you, certainly not GS1, is that you can buy them in any country and they are equally applicable to your Amazon business, to your e-commerce business, whatever it may be. So if I buy GS1 barcodes from the USA, I can use them in Australia, I can use them in Europe, I can use them anywhere, okay? And I can buy them in my business in Australia and pay with Aussie dollars from GS1 in the USA, okay? So that little piece of information instantly means we should go shopping on the different GS1 websites to see who offers the best deal for us, okay? And depending on what you're looking to do and how many you're looking to buy, then the deals are different. But let's just assume you're looking to buy one GS1 barcode for one product, okay? This is GS1 in Australia. So it says here, you can get a single barcode from $39, okay? $39. So let's just go down a little bit more. One free GS1 barcode. Well, that's kind of cool. 39 bucks for a GS1 barcode from Australia, okay? But if you go to the same website and go through their process to actually get a quote for your barcode, you can get a different price. So let's get a different price. So this is an annual price, okay? And you must, for this Australia specifically, you must keep paying the price to keep your GS1 barcode. So you're leasing it from GS1 rather than owning it from GS1, okay? Well, it's different. So I went through the process here from 100 to less than 500,000. You know, you're just getting started. And now I can buy a barcode for that. Now that is prorated. Okay, so that's important to know. But were you to go to GS1 today and buy one for your new Amazon product, that's what you would expect to pay around that kind of price, okay? So 10 bucks, but that's prorated and it's recurring at its normal rate every single year, okay? That's GS1 Australia. Here's GS1 in the UK. So here's the POMs. So the POMs, you can get their starter for 10. So if you're thinking you're going to get up to 10 different products, then you can get 50 quid per year. And that will, which is about what, 70 Aussie, something like that. So $7 per barcode will give you 10 barcodes that you can then use right around the world to sell anywhere at all. And that is also recurring, okay? So if, again, you're leasing it from GS1. Now, you may hate that and think to yourself, I don't want to lease it. I just want to know I'm going to make one payment and bada boom, bada bing, I'm done. So how'd you do that? Well, for that, you need GS1 in the US of A. So in the US of A, they do things a little bit differently. So you can buy one GS1 barcode, which you will then own forever. Okay, it's yours for life. And that will cost you 30 good old inflation busting US dollars. So 30 bucks will do that. There's no ongoing fees. It's 30 bucks once, bada boom, bada bing, you're done. Now, people always ask me, are GS1 barcodes suitable for different locations? When you buy a GS1 barcode, you typically get the 13-digit number, which is good for the USA. It's also good for Australia and things like that. But you can also, at no extra cost, it's just there waiting for you, get a 12-digit number, which is the EAN. That'll be good for Europe as well, for instance. Okay, so one barcode, all the different markets, no problem at all. Okay, so depending on your situation, Australia is either going to be best for you for very, very low initial cost, or spend a little bit more, but have it forever, 30 bucks. Or if you're thinking, I'm definitely going to launch quite a few products, then I think the UK is your best option. Okay, so depending on what you're going to do, that's the best options for you. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. And if you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the next video. Until then.